might stop raining by the time I've done the badge. All that does is stops the sand sticking to that. There you go. Right, we need that now, up and over. And we can have a look. Pretty damn nearly good. So my hoping is now that I kind of fit that on there. Just put a bit more. I want out of there like that. Right, that's good in there. Oh, look at that. Will you look at that? That's what you like to see. We've got a funny looking eye for some reason. Well, listen. I got it in there, and it's raining. I just want to melt that, and we're out here. I think the best part about this caper is the opening, because it's like Christmas. Did you get it right? Did you get it wrong? So I think that's why a lot of people do it, because they love the Christmassy thing. I don't think this is going to be any good. So I think we'll have a few mistakes with this one, but. Remember I said something about the letter R? Well, for some reason we've got two of them. Just slightly, yeah, slightly doubled. Now that happens, but it's bloody exciting, right? What else could you be doing? Come on, be honest. Bastard. Bastard. See, 2 hours. Land Rover. But, oh yeah, you actually got 2. There's a slight sully. Apart from that, which I had feelings it wouldn't work, so it was a good first try, Robbie. It was a good first try. That's the way it goes. Let me run a few questions by you. See, we definitely stuttered. Apart from that, that's just. Apart from that, I would have been happy with that bit. But any advice, any comments, you know I listen to you. I just want to take you out here and ask a few questions. There's a few people well into this sort of caper. I got to get rid of that. That is pointless because it only holds under 5 gallons, so it don't last very long. My question is, why can't we put the crucible on there? Let me turn it down a bit. Oh, not there. This is Simon.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Buying chips. Well,
why can't we get rid of that and build a frame like a cooker to go on top of there, and then the hottest flame I think is that one there, right? This is just, so why can't we build a frame to come up off that and sit the crucible on top of that, so that flames is hitting that straight underneath the crucible? Would that work? Not actually touching it, just slightly up above it, you know, about that high. What I'm trying to do is get rid of this oil out of here. So I can get rid of that. Right, completely, utterly empty. So we'll scrap that. I'm going to alter that and see what happens. This was my dross. There's still quite a lot of alley in it, so